Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix and remove the yellow triangle from any drive like a C drive, D drive, E drive. So let's start the video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. Click on start button and after that click here search and type here CMD and click here run as administrator option. Yes. And after that guys, type here a command like that and click here E drive. This is your E drive. The yellow triangles displayed here and type here same E. Okay, and press enter from keyboard and refresh your explorer. You can see here yellow triangle gets removed from your E drive. So use this command and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.